Understanding volley the ball in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, volley the ball. This phrase is not just popular in sports but also carries significant cultural and linguistic weight. So, let's break it down and understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it's often used. The phrase, volley the ball, refers to hitting a ball before it touches the ground. In sports like tennis or volleyball, a volley is a way to keep the ball in play, often used strategically to catch the opponent off guard. But, beyond sports, this phrase can metaphorically mean responding to something swiftly and without hesitation. Understanding the origin of phrases helps us grasp their usage better. The term, volley, originally comes from French, meaning, flight of a ball, and was adopted into English. Over time, it became associated with various sports and took on a broader meaning in everyday language. Let's see how volley the ball is used. 1. In sports, the player volleyed the ball right back over the net. 2. Metaphorically, when asked about the new policy, the politician volleyed the question to her advisor. Notice how the phrase is versatile, used both literally and figuratively. While volley the ball is rooted in sports, it's often used in everyday conversations to imply a quick response or action. For example, he volleyed back an answer to the interviewer's tricky question. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, volley the ball, confidently in English, both in sports and beyond. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the context and culture they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.